Hi everyone, this problem came up in the discussion board, so I wanted to go ahead and work at this one and the one that follows it. This is number 7 from 11.4. This is the balance on Ramon Felipe's credit card on January 16th. His billing date was $384.89 for the period ending February 16th. Ramon had the following transactions to the right. Find the average daily balance for the billing period. Find the finance charge to be paid on February 16th. Assume an interest rate of 1.2% per month, and then find the balance due on February 16th. So let's see. We have January 16th. So we're going to make a little table here. We have the date. And we're looking at 116 was the first thing. Then we have 122 for the next thing. And then 124. And then 26. And then 27. And it closes on the 16th of February, so 216. And we're going to look at the balance for each of these, and then the number of days. So on the 16th of January, we have $384.89, and that's going to be the balance from the 16th to the 22nd. So 22 minus 16 is 6 days. And then it changes. There's a charge of $42.72 on the 22nd, so we're going to add $42.72 to that amount. Okay, so we have 384.89 plus 42.72. I get 427.61. Now from the 22nd to the 24th, 24 minus 22 is 2 days. Now on the 24th there's a payment of $130, so we're going to subtract $130 from this balance. And I'm at $297.61. And that's going to be the case from the 24th to the 26th. Now, 24th to the 31st is 7 days, and then from the 1st to the 6th, that's going to be 6 days. I should say 31st to the 6th, 6 days. So we're looking at 13 days for that one. And on the 6th, we have a charge of $24.78. Brings us up to $322.39, and that's for 1 day. And then there's a charge of $152.54. That brings us to $474.93, and that's going to be from the 7th to the 16th. That's 9 days. Okay. And so this is the final balance. That's going to be important to know. We want for A the average daily balance. So for the average daily balance, what we do is 384.89 times 6 plus 427.61 times 2 plus 297.61 times 13, because it's 13 days, plus 322.39 times 1 plus 474.93 times 9. And what do we get for that sum and product? 384.89 times 6 plus 427.61. times 2 plus 297.61 times 13 plus 322.39 times 1, that's kind of redundant, plus 474.93 times 9. I get 11630.3. And I'm going to take that 11,630.3, divide that by 31 days, because January has 31 days. And we could look it up on the calendar too, on the Julian calendar. But we would have that's day 16, and then this would be day 47. So 47 minus 16 would be 31 days. So the average daily balance will be 375.17 if I go to the nearest penny. Okay, now the next question is, what's the finance charge to be paid on February 16th? Well, that's going to be the average daily balance times the interest rate, 0.012 in decimal form. Now I get 4.50. So 450 is the interest charge. And then the balance due on February 16th is going to be the interest charge plus the last, I should say the finance charge plus the last balance. That's 474.93 plus 4.50. And I get 479.43. Okay, so I hope that works for this one. Hope this helps. And let's go to the next one. It says on February 3rd, the billing date, Carol Ann Blue Sky had a balance due of $123.35. I know I've done this one this semester already, but her bank charges an interest rate of 1.25% per month and uses the average daily balance method. She made transactions described in the table during the month. So find Carol Ann's average daily balance for the billing period from February 3rd to March 3rd. Now, February has 28 days, so this is going to be 28 days. And unless they say it's a leap year. I assume it is not a leap year, so it's 28 days. Find the finance charge, find the balance due, compare the result of those obtained using the previous balance method. Okay. Okay, they give us what it is for the previous balance. Okay, so here we go. So she started with, let's do our date again. Balance. Days. So we start off on February 3rd, so 2-3. A balance of 123.35. Then on 2-8, there's a charge. 2-12, there's a payment. 2-20, there's a charge. 2-28, there's a charge. And then this goes until 3-3. So we have how many days from the 3rd to the 8th is 5 days. And then we're going to add 123.35 plus 23.28. That's going to be 146.63, and that's going to be from the 8th to the 12th. That's 4 days. 12 minus 8 is 4. And we're going to make a payment, so minus $100 from that. We're down to 46 $63. That's from the 12th to the 20th. That's 8 days. Then on the 20th, a charge for a music CD, and people are saying, what's a CD? Because everyone downloads music now. That's kind of the joke. 58.10, and that's from the 20th. Oops, I got something. I missed a payment. Oh, sorry, charge for flowers first. Let's go back. We had 46.63 plus 73.09. That's 119.72. That's going to be for another 8 days, from the 20th to the 28th. On the 28th, that's when we make the music purchase, plus 11.47. I get 131.19 from the 28th to the 3rd, so that's the end of the month. Then you have 3 more days, so that's 3 days. Okay, so we want to find the average daily balance. It's going to be 123.35 times 5 plus 146.63 times 4 plus 46.63 times 8 plus 119.72 times 8 plus 131.19 times 3. Put this in the calculator now. Okay. And I get 2927.64. So we take that 2927.64 and we divide by 28. That's the number of days in the month. It's not a leap year, so we have an average daily balance of 104.56. Finance charge, it's 104.56 times 0.0125. I get 1.31 for round to the nearest penny. And the balance due on March 3rd will be that last amount, 131.19 plus 1.31. $132.5. So it says here, using the previous balance method, the finance charge is 154. So it's less using this method. And then the balance would be 132.73 versus 132.5. So it's less using the average daily balance method. Or less than those, so it's A. Okay. I hope that clarifies things in doing these problems. Okay. Well, thank you.